My family has a casement window with a handle. Whether it is a plastic steel window or a thermally broken aluminum window, it feels like there is a gap after your window is closed. It is not tightly closed. In this case, don't spend money to hire someone to fix it. Adjust it yourself at home. Prepare a 4 mm hexagon socket. Open the window and observe the eccentric shaft at this position. It is an eccentric screw. There is a mark on it. This mark goes to the inside. This is the loosest state of the window. If this mark goes to this side, this is the tightest state of the window. You can use a 4 mm hexagon socket to screw this screw to the right. There are 2 screws below. Adjust 2 or 3. Twist it once. After you have done that, you can close the window to test whether your window can delay. If there's no delay, we can keep tightening this specially adjusted screw. Test the window tightness repeatedly. This will improve your window sealing. If you still notice wind, dust, or dirt entering after testing, check your sealing strips. Touch the original sealing strips with your hand to see if they have become hard. If they are hard and have no elasticity or very little elasticity, this means that your sealing strips have aged. Adjusting them won't help. You must replace the sealing strips. You can do this without hiring someone. You can do it yourself at home. Whether you are a gay or a lesbian, you can install it. Find the head of the original sealing strip on the window sash and pull it down with all your strength. Remove all original sealing strips from the window sash to expose a slot in your house. Plastic, steel, and thermal break aluminum windows have this slot. We will use new silicone sealing strips with suction cups. They are soft and elastic, and they are also antifreeze. The installation of the strips is also simple. You can easily install them at home. The strips have a clip on the top. There is a slot on the strips. Just press your fingers from top to bottom, and then press them around your window. For corners, use 2 45-degree angles. For curved areas, press them around your window by hand, as I did. After closing the window, you will clearly find that there is a suction cup from the top to the bottom of the window. This suction cup, it will fit tightly to your window frame and seal all the gaps. It is very tight. You can feel it when you grab it with your hands. It is tightly attached to the top and seals your window tightly. If your home has drafty windows, install a window fan to test its effectiveness. It's quite helpful. Practical friends can double-click me.